The people of South Africa must not forget that Cyril Ramaphosa is part and parcel of the reason our country has been grey-listed, because he failed to declare millions of foreign currencies to the South African Reserve Bank and the South African Revenue Services. The President of South Africa is the money laundering chief who kept millions of dollars in his mattresses and sofas at Palapala Farm, undermining our economy and economic sovereignty. Our law enforcement agencies are corrupted and compromised, and violent crime has spiraled out of control under Ramaphosa. The murder rate in this country resembles that of nations which are at war. The reason why we are calling for the removal of the president is because, guys, the president has resigned. And you all know that. President wrote a letter. The people who work with him, the people who typed his speech, told me it's done, Chief. We're done. We're just waiting for the time to call a press conference. It's done. Until a faction went to persuade him the same day not to resign. His conscience has concluded that he doesn't have what it takes to be a president. The body might be there. The guy is gone. He wrote, Cyril, if we're to conduct the raid now in his offices or homes, we're going to find a resignation letter. You have a president who's there by body, but the soul is gone. It's not there. That's why he tells you it's not my responsibility to give you electricity. He tells you tomorrow 18% Eskom is increasing. The rates are going up. He said his hands were tied. When you made noise, he said, oh, he untied himself and said, I'm going to intervene, and pretended to be doing something. The reality is that increase is kicking in tomorrow the same time as petrol. Sisekake. We're in big trouble. Nothing is coming right. And nothing will ever come right. Because apparently, Gwede's wife says this thing is run from her house. Gwede's wife is embedded in Eskom. She has been doing business there. And I will not be shocked if the minister they are referring to is Gwede. I won't be shocked. Gwede's wife participates actively in the negotiations of business deals. And Gwede is the one who made Cyril the president. And by that, disarming him from being a powerful president.